What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And if you're here from part 1 of my video where I did an unboxing and setup of this mount up dual monitor stand, welcome back. Thank you so much for checking out my other videos. If this is your first time here, my name's Greg. I do tech videos weekly in 4K. And I want to keep you guys entertained and well informed. So Mount Up was kind enough to reach out to me and ask me if I'd like to review one of their monitor stands. And I picked the dual monitor stand as I do have 2 monitors right there. Oh, by the way guys, make sure you stick around to the end because I'm gonna have a little bonus tip for you guys that you might not want to miss. And I have to say, I am very pleased with the quality of this product. First of all, it can hold up to a 32-inch monitor, and they can be up to 17 pounds. You're getting a lot of versatility with this. You can move the monitor in pretty much any orientation you want. You can put it in landscape mode. You can put it in portrait mode. You can tilt it up and down. You can move it up and down. It really does give so much flexibility to your setup, and it takes all of the wires off your desk. You can adjust the tension in the monitor arms in a couple different places, so you're really gonna be able to customize this to the best of your ability. I would have upgraded so much long ago if I knew how cheap and amazing this would be. I really am so much more pleased with my office, not having wires on the desk. Mount Up really made a fantastic product here. The cable management included in the design is mwah. I love it. I am a super messy person and I am terrible with cables. So this is pretty much stupid or idiot proof. My desk looks so much cleaner and I'm so much happier. And to think this thing only costs $50, I really can't believe I didn't buy this sooner. I'm actually a little bit upset with myself. I will say the heavier monitor is a little bit more difficult to get in the position that you want it, but it really didn't cause me any grief or any trouble. I'm able to move both of these monitors. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I'll have a link down below that is an affiliate link. It does not cost you anything, but it greatly helps support the channel. Thank you Mount Up for sending this out to me once again. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video, and you can join the crew here. We're getting pretty thick at almost 4K. And who knows where we're gonna go from here, guys. I've been doing this a long time, and I plan to continue doing it into the foreseeable future, and hopefully get better and better along with all of you. That's really all I have to say about this. I do have a little bonus tip for you. I did not know about this when I chose my monitor mount, but they do have a height adjustable one that I think might have been more suitable. Probably more suitable if you're taller than 5'9" to 6 feet tall or taller. You know, pretty much from 5'9" up, I think you might want the height adjustable one. It does look a little bit different, but you are able to raise and lower the monitors on the pole there. And I think that's pretty cool if you have a long neck like I do, or you're just a taller person. And I'll also leave a link for that product down below, along with the monitor mount that I actually reviewed. And that's really all I gotta say, guys. So until next time, I'm out. Peace.